So here's how to fix Microsoft Store. Something happened on our end error message. So first we want to right click on the start button and then click on run. And here we want to type ws reset.exe and then press enter. And this should reset the Microsoft Store and relaunch it again. Then you will need to close the Microsoft Store and then right click on the start button again and open Windows PowerShell as admin or terminal as admin for Windows 11. And then you want to paste the following command in here, which is going to be in the video description. And then you want to press enter and wait for it. And once it's completed, you can close the command line. Now you should try to open the Microsoft Store again and see if that solves the issue. Otherwise, if the issue persists, here's what you can do. Right click on the start button and then go to apps and features or installed apps for Windows 11. And then you want to search for the Microsoft Store in here for Windows 11. For Windows 10, we will have to click on System Components. And then we want to find the Microsoft Store in here. Click on it and then click Advanced Options and scroll all the way down. Then click on Terminate first to close the store if it's already open. Now click on Repair and wait for it to repair it. And then click on Reset and wait for it to reset the store app. Now once it's reset, you can close this and then open the Microsoft Store again from here. Search for it and then click on it to open it again. And this should solve the issue. Thank you guys for watching and subscribe.